What we have here today is a 2023 Kenworth 880 with a pack car Mx13. This is the oil cooler. If you're going to change this oil cooler, you can take all these brackets and wires, unplug them all, and just hang them off to the side and pull the oil cooler off the back. One issue: there's one bolt back here. Can't see it good. On this bottom row of bolts, there's 1, 2, 3. Third one is here. But there's one more inside. There's a bottom bolt next to the block in there. And that's the first bolt you should take out, because that's the hardest bolt to get out. If you can't get it out, you're going to end up taking the whole assembly off to get that oil cooler off of that. You'd have to take off this whole housing. And as I understand, that's not a fun job. This is the oil cooler here. There's 1, 2, 3 on the bottom. This is the one next to the block. And this is the hardest one to get out. You're gonna need some kind of trickery to get in there and get that bolt out. This is what I used. 1/4-inch wobble extension with a 40 torque spit on it. And that was just enough to get in there and work that bolt. The rest of the bolts will just come out. Well, they won't just come out. You're gonna have to work at it. It's good to have a 0 swing ratchet because it's tight in here. But this is the tip for the day. Number 40 torque spit, 1/4-inch drive wobble extension, 1/4-inch socket. Worked for me. But just to go over it again, this is the first bolt you take out, because if you can't get this out, you're stuck. This is the hardest bolt. Have fun.